Are you afraid of low offers on your property? Is your property's condition not attractive enough? Watch how a $135,000 makeover turned a $1.3 million appraisal into a $1.7 million sale, netting an extra $250,000 profit. They want to sell, but the fear of low offers due to its condition is holding them back. With an initial market appraisal of $1,350,000, that is way below market value. They know they could do way better. Selling as is can attract lowball offers and significantly reduce the value of your property. But imagine what enhancing key areas can do for your sale. The solution? A complete makeover. Repaint the walls, redo the kitchen, and install modern fixtures and appliances. With a fixed package of $135,000, the renovation team worked their magic in just 7 weeks. The transformation was astonishing. The homeowners were beyond happy, their place almost unrecognizable.
I was hesitant at first to spend on renovations, but I got my money's worth and even more with this transformation. It was sold for a whopping $1,740,000, giving me almost 3 times on the return on investment.
With a fixed price and duration, the renovation team showed them what they were missing to get their much-wanted sale. Have a property out here in Auckland. All it takes is a consultation with James Gorin, the expert from the renovation team, to open your eyes to the potential living inside your property.